Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. Okay, first question is, I have noticed that closets that will have a yellow banner that says not for sale. Can you please explain? Okay, so for instance, in my closet, I have my first two listings are marked as not for sale, and my first two listings, I have this listing where I do 10 shares for 10 shares. That's not for sale. I'm not selling anything in that listing. And then my other one is my Meet the Posher, so that is not for sale either. I honestly don't know why people mark things not for sale. It doesn't really make any sense to me. You know, some people will mark things like not for sale, sold this on Mercari, and it's like, okay, cool. Why do we care? We're on Poshmark. Why do we care that you sold it on Mercari? Obviously, they're trying to get more traffic to their Mercari account, which is actually against Poshmark's rules, rightfully so. They don't want you advertising other apps because they want you to stay on Poshmark and sell things on Poshmark. Also, when somebody puts their closet on vacation mode, all of their items will say not for sale. Vacation mode is exactly what it sounds like. You know, if you're going on vacation, or if you know you're not going to be active on Poshmark for a little while, you can put your closet on vacation mode. You know, if somebody buys something, you know, you don't have to worry about it because you're on vacation. So yeah, those are really the only two instances. Next question. Thanks for the tips. You're welcome. What camcorder are you using? I love the lighting and the clarity. So I film on a Canon G7X Mark II. I've had this camera for a couple years now. I love it. It's pretty affordable, and it's a really, really great camera. I like that it has a flip up lens so I can see myself. Yeah, and it's just a super easy to use camera. I love it. I've tried many cameras in my YouTube career, and this one, I feel like I've had the longest. I tried switching over to Sony. I had the Sony A5000 and the Sony A5100, and I didn't like those cameras. I'm a Canon girl. I love Canon cameras. I had the Canon Rebel T4i, I think it was, and then that camera wasn't out for a while. They quickly discontinued that. But yeah, that camera was just too much for me. You know, I'm just filming YouTube videos. I'm not doing crazy edits. I don't need a really crazy ass camera. This camera right here is perfect for, you know, somebody just getting started. It's a really, really nice camera, but it's not too crazy where you'll get it and be overwhelmed. If you guys are interested in this camera, I will have a link down below where you can purchase it. Again, it's actually, I don't know how much it is right now. I could look it up. Let's look it up. Let's see what it is right now on Amazon. I think I paid $600 for it when I got it. Let's see what it is right now. Okay, so yeah, it's still $600. I mean, it's a really great camera. It does hold its value. But you can get, oh, this is cool, an accessory bundle with memory cards and tripods. Or no, yeah, 2 tripods for $549. Or this one has an accessory kit for $533. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Oh, this one's only $505. Okay, I will have these links down below, because it looks like it's cheaper if you get accessories with it, which doesn't make any sense, but I'll link it down below. Next question. Hi there. I'm really curious what your thoughts are on the 30-minute method. I've had Poshmark since approximately September of last year. Downloaded to sell a pair of pants that didn't fit me anymore. They sold and my mind was blown at the potential of the app, so I've slowly built up my closet. And as a stay-at-home mom, want to turn this into a part-time job. I have the motivation to do so. I'm also in a great location. I started making consistent sales. Any tips? And is it just doing each of the listed actions that is helping me? Okay, so this person's doing the 30-minute method and they feel like it's helping them. Okay, so if you don't know, the 30-minute method was created by, I don't know. I'm gonna have to Google it. I'll give credit to them. Basically, hold on, I gotta Google it and see exactly what it is. So, yeah, here's the 30-minute method. Number 1, share 30 items from your closet. Number 2, share 30 items from your feed. Number 3, follow Poshmark ambassadors. Number 4, list, relist 3 items. Number 5, share 10 new Poshers. And number 6, return Poshmark love, which means share or follow those who follow you. So that's it. It'll take you roughly 30 minutes to do this manually. Okay, so I honestly have never tried it. I can't tell you 100% if it works or not. My issue with the 30-minute method is the number one thing they tell you to do, share 30 items from your closet. You should be sharing all of the items from your closet, not just 30. Oh, so it was created by Lynn Cromar. It's supposed to gain traffic and sales through a specific usage, like all those things that I just told you. Okay, so this quote, I guess, is from Lynn herself. It says, the 30-minute method is the foundation of Poshmark analytics. It leads to dependable income for part-time Poshmark sellers. Start today. See consistent daily sales in a few days and keep the momentum going by doing it daily in order and as complete as possible. Okay, so yeah, here's like a little graphic that lists all the things that I just said. Basically, this is telling you to do this once a day and then you're done. I don't like that because like as far as sharing goes, you should share your closet multiple times a day if you can, because what if you choose to do this at a time where Poshmark isn't that busy? Then, you know, people talk about like the Poshmark algorithm, you know, oh, we gotta beat the Poshmark algorithm. And I mean, the only algorithm I think that Poshmark has is like your personalized feed. So like when you go to feed, like in the lower left-hand corner, that's the only algorithm I think Poshmark has, because when you share something, it goes to the top of the search results. That's not like an algorithm, that's just reality, that's what it does. It is the same for everyone. If I share a sweatshirt, it's gonna go to the top of the search results. If you share one right after me, yours is gonna go ahead of mine. Like that, you know, it's nothing tricky like that. So I don't know, they talk about like beating the algorithm, and I don't know. I don't really believe that Poshmark has one. In terms of your own personalized feed here, not searching for anything, yes, I think there is an algorithm. But as far as like search results and stuff, I really don't believe that there is one. So yeah, the 30-minute method, like I said, I don't really know if it works. Some people have said that it works, but again, I just have problems only sharing 30 things from your closet. Because what if you have like, how many active listings do I have? I'm actually pretty low with my active listings. I'm under 300, which is very low. But okay, let's say I had just a flat 300 listings. I'm only gonna share 30 of those. Like, what about my other things? Am I gonna switch it up every day and share a different 30? Like, I don't know. There's too many, they try to make it simple, but there's, in my mind, there's too many other things that should be added to it, you know, just, I don't know. And I don't believe only doing it once a day, like I said, because if you share at the wrong time, then, you know, it's not gonna work out that day for you. The whole principle behind it makes sense because they want you to be like engaging, like doing all those things, but I think you should be doing those things anyway. Like, you shouldn't just cap it at a certain number, you know? I guess that's what I'm trying to say. I don't know. If any of you guys have had experience with the 30-minute method, if it's worked for you, if it hasn't worked for you, please comment down below because I am curious. I think she created it like a couple years ago, so I don't really know how relevant it is now. I honestly don't know if people still do it. I've never tried it, and I don't really want to try it because my sales are doing just fine doing the things that I'm doing, so why would I want to switch it up and like risk it, you know? Like, I'm not much of a gambler. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or DM me on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code KEEPINITRAD and you'll get a $10 credit. I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.